Now that we have seen the parts, let's start the watch build. First, get the dial ready. Remove the dial feet that are not required. I use a flush cutter tool to do this. File the dial to ensure it is smooth. Ensure there is no dust on the dial. Attach the dial to the movement. It is usually secured by push fit. Ensure that the dial is properly attached to the movement. It should be flush all around. Now let's start attaching the hands. Wind the watch till the date just about ticks. Attaching the hour hand. Check if the hand moves freely. The date should change when the hand crosses 12. Attaching the minute hand. Check if both the hands move freely. The date should change between 11:45 and 12:15. 11:58. Quite happy with that. Attaching the seconds hand. Quite happy with this. To attach the movement to the case, first remove the stem the movement was shipped with. Gently place the case on the movement. Carefully flip the watch over. Attach the crown to a new stem. And insert it back to the movement. Measure the length of the stem that needs to be trimmed. I'm using a vernier caliper to measure, but you could use any other tool as well. Remove the crown and cut the stem. It is better to cut it a little longer and then file it down to the required length. Attach the crown back to the stem. And insert the stem back into the movement. Attaching the rotor sticker. Peel the double-sided tape off. Carefully paste the sticker on the rotor. Place the seal and close the case back. This looks beautiful. Attach the straps and we have completed the build. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.